Is your door not shut all the way? Or sticks? We're gonna fix that today. All you're gonna need is a hammer, screwdriver, some pliers, and something to shim the door with. So this top hinge is the problem. You can see that this gap is much larger than this bottom gap. So use your screwdriver and your hammer to gently pop out the pin of the hinge, and then place your shim in the door to hold it in place. I even put a towel behind mine just to open it up a little bit more. Now take your pliers and bend the hinge back towards the handle of the door to make all of the pieces line up. Lastly, just replace the pin in the hinge and you are done. This is an easy fix, but makes all the difference in the world. See y'all next time.